Hey there, are you tired of annoying phone calls? Today you're going to learn how to get rid of them on your favorite multiple device. But first, I'm Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and you're going to be learning about available built-in tools in your mobile device to defend against those unwanted phone calls you're tired of getting. And we're going to start off with the iPhone. If you are an iPhone user, all you have to do is go to Settings, then Phone, then check Silence Unknown Caller Options. You will receive a missed call notification, but your phone will not ring. If you think this is spam and you're tired of seeing it trying, then you can click the info icon on that specific caller and then block this caller, and that will block that person. At this point, you will never get any notifications whatsoever from that person. It also has the bonus benefit of actually preventing any blocked numbers from ever calling you ever again. I also use an application called Haya to figure out which ones are actually spoof numbers. Now, if you're using a vanilla version of Android, then what you're going to have to do is go to the settings, then over to the contact app. Yes, the contact app, not the phone app. Then at the bottom of the options, select blocked numbers. You will have 4 options, especially if you have one of the latest updates of Android. And these 4 options are numbers not in contact, private, payphone, and unknown. If you activate each one of these options, you will only get phone calls from people in your contact list and never get phone calls from anyone else. This means if for some crazy reason somebody calls you from a different number than they normally do, you simply will not get the call. So just make sure you have your voicemail, just to be sure. Now, beyond that, there is no other way in either scenario of calling you unless somebody spoofs a number on your contact list, which just brings up the argument to which we never exactly know who is actually calling us, because anybody can change their phone number, even if in many places it is considered illegal to do so. So I hope you like this episode. So if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think could benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com. We can do other things such as seeing the episode show notes, the show notes to other episodes, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And of course, if you want to see me play video games, go to twitch.tv/ZX1981, become a follower or even a subscriber, and watch me play Borderlands 3. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.